Hi everyone, it's September 5th. It's almost Labor Day. Tomorrow's Labor Day and everyone's planning some kind of adventure for themselves. So my adventure on Labor Day, I just got back from almost finishing the Chicago History Museum. We got a few components left. We got the trail that kind of discusses the Chicago fire, and that's one planting left there. And we finished Argonne, the large gravel garden at Argonne National Laboratory, for the biggest computer in the world, the building that surrounds the biggest computer in the world. So I thought, why don't I do something small? So today I'm just doing small things. I'm enhancing the garden. So over here I have Amsonia Northwind. It's a quite large Amsonia, and it appeared on its own. I collect seed off of this. It gets almost 5 feet tall with very narrow foliage, so it's very good for screening. And it gets tall early in the year, so around June, early June, the plant's about 3 feet tall as it's blooming. Then the vegetative growth through summer after it flowers adds another 1.5 feet to the plant. And behind it, this is Persicaria polymorpha. Persicaria polymorpha is enormous. It's a large plant. There's probably 2 here, and you can see it growing into the serviceberry, the top, and it's kind of nice the way it mingles with the serviceberry. That's quite big and stays big until frost, and when frost hits it, down it goes. A freeze, down that plant goes, where the Amsonia will still have a beautiful yellow fall color. So in front of that, I had Carex remota. Well, the Carex remota looked good in the spring, and it played well with the plants as they were emerging, but it always just was too low in scale. So this morning I decided, as I walked by it, turning the sprinklers on, you know what, I'm going to dig out the Carex remota. There were 7 of them in here. And I decided to put in Anemone Pamina. Anemone Pamina gets around 30, 36 inches tall, is in bud right now. I don't have a flower to show you. It's kind of a medium pink, rosy pink color. I'm really bad describing pink to people. There's so many shades of pink. I just say it's attractive, very attractive, and the scale is right for this area. So I'm going to plant 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3 right here. And in the spring, the foliage will probably be, by June, it'll probably be 12 inches tall, and it'll step up into the Amsonia, and it'll step up into the Persicaria. The Persicaria will be in bloom, but the anemone has gorgeous grape-like or maple-like foliage, so it'll be really a nice texture, and it'll work well with the Sanguisorba Tana that's in front of it. And then there's a whole group of Astrantia that will bloom also, so it'll be a nice foliage, nice texture, and then this time of year have beautiful flowers and be about 30, 36 inches tall with a nice backdrop of green. So that's my gardening moment for Sunday morning. I'll get these planted, put some leaf mulch around them, and water them in. Make sure I really soak them in. And that's the joy of gardening, isn't it? We can go from area to area, mend things, change things, and have fun doing it. So have a good time, have a good holiday. See you later, bye.